In this video, we're going to work on the rest of the part in which we have to make our chat and messages display on the runtime. So we're gonna have two separate screens in which we have Fabraz and John logged in. So what we have to do, we have to head to our custom.js file over here, and all we need to do is to set up two things. For one is to set up a new message load. This would be 1000, and there will be another function called chat update, and it will be 1200. And we do not have this chat update at the moment, so right beneath here we will gonna create it. Var chat update is equals to function, and same thing here, we will gonna copy this Ajax, paste it over here, remove the indentation, and it will gonna be get and check, remove, and make it chat and update. As it is get, we wouldn't have any data to parse. And in try catch, we will gonna see what need to be done. Save it, head to our web.php file, and this time we will gonna need a chat update, so it will be get chat update. So list, remove it, make it chat update, save it. So right now, remove it, copy this, paste it over here, and auth user chat order by ID descending, get one. After getting it, we will gonna say total message, the same thing that we did in the home controller, if you guys remember this thing. So we're gonna just copy this, paste it here, and once we will gonna get all the messages, we will gonna just say return and JSON encode total messages, head back to our custom.js, and because we do not have any status, so it will always gonna be returning a list of messages here. So we can just come over here and start working on the response from here. What we can do, we can loop through our chat item, the list of chat that we have. So let's say chat item dot each. In loop, we will gonna create one variable el, and we will gonna store this element in it. Now create the variable id, and as you know, we are storing id of each element in the header id. Now if the response is not empty, then we're gonna say $.each resp. So we are looping through the response, k as a key, v as a value. If id is equals to k, the id of the chat, so we have to make like checking that if this item id is matched with the id that we have in response. If yes, then add class new message and append the same div having a class of new message count and value. And if response is equals to 0, empty, not 0, then el dot Just let me copy these two. Add class new message and el.find el.find this class and remove. And sorry, do not add it, remove it. Save it, and our chat update is completed. If I will save, come back, refresh, and for instance it is John. So if I select over here, make it small, and let's say if I send a message, hey is sent, and you see without any refreshing or anything, it start glowing here. So Faraz just sent a message, and if I say where are you, just some realistic message, it will turn into 2 as soon as I will hit send. You see it's saying 2 now, and it will be working like charm as well as here. Like Faraz just see the message, where are you, I am at home, send it, and not only the chat is updating, the messages are coming here as well. You see, okay, good, wanna hang out? You see it's a real-time chat. Yeah, sure. So that's the example of a chat, and our chat is complete here. The only thing left is the load more for the previous messages. Other than that, all is good. In the next video, we will come and work on load more. So take care for now. Bye bye.